This is where, remember the beginning of the year I said you're going to be uncomfortable, but you have to get over it because you have to let me teach you so you can then be comfortable again. That's where we are. This is the first stage of uncomfortableness. This is the first thing you have not seen. Yeah? Okay. So what this is, it's a formula used to create slope-intercept form if all you're given is the slope and a point that is not the y-intercept. Right? So how can I create something in slope-intercept form if I don't have the slope and the y-intercept? Well, they came up with this beautiful formula where you're going to put values in there and you're going to manipulate those values and your answer will be in slope-intercept form. Cool? Okay, so let's just jump into examples. We're given a slope, and we're given a point. Our goal is to get slope-intercept form. So how are we going to do that? Well, if you look up at this formula, we need slope, right? Everybody with me? Yeah. And we need a point, an x1 and a y1. Remember, in slope-intercept form, there's an x and a y that we don't have values for, right? Y equals mx plus b. So that's where this x and y come in. We're still not going to know those values. You're going to have to be okay with that. So I'm going to take these values, the 2, the x1, and the y1, and I'm going to put them into this formula. So I'm going to rewrite the formula. Y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. And I'm going to put these where the y1 is and where the x1 is. So I'm going to get y minus 3 equals 2, because that's my slope, times the quantity x minus negative 8. What does minus a negative do? Positive. So now I have y minus 3 equals 2 times the quantity x plus 8. This right here is point slope form. We have our point in the formula and we have our slope in the formula. Everybody with me? We took the point, we took the slope, we put it into point slope formula. Yeah? So now you're probably thinking, well, how does that turn into y slope-intercept form? I still don't have slope in my y-intercept. I'm actually now going to take this and I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to write y minus 3 equals 2 times the quantity x plus 8. If I wanted to solve for y, what would I do first? I think I heard someone whisper under their breath. Distribute. I'm going to distribute this 2 here. So now I have y minus 3 equals 2x plus 16. I'm so close. I still need that y by itself. What am I going to do with that negative 3? Nolan? Add it to both sides. Y equals 2x plus 19. What? Is this in slope-intercept form? Did you guys see what just happened there? This is so exciting. Right? So we took a slope and a point. We put it into point slope form. Then we did our magic and we transformed it into slope-intercept form. I know, right? So exciting. I can't quite feel your excitement. I know it's in there. It's kind of cool, right? Because they're the same thing, just written in different ways. All of algebra is basically the same thing, just written in different ways.
Will we ever have to write slope-intercept form as point-slope form?
No. Okay, so, well, no, probably not. Okay, so really quick, raise your hand if you like Italian food. Okay, so what's your favorite Italian food? Grace, what's your favorite thing to eat?
Pasta.
Okay, what makes up pasta? Like when you picture pasta, what do you see?
Noodles.
Noodles and?
Sauce.
Okay, so what's your favorite?
Lasagna.
What's in lasagna?
Noodles, cheese,
And sauce?
and meat. Yeah, sauce.
Okay, could pasta also have cheese and meat on it?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your favorite, Hayden?
Spaghetti and meatballs.
Which is?
Pasta, noodles, sauce, and meatballs.
Maybe some cheese? You guys see where I'm going with this? Italian food is all the same thing, it's just in different forms. Yeah?
Pizza.
Right?
Sauce.
Did I just like mess with you a little bit? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to ruin Italian food for you, but algebra is all the same thing. Just written in different forms. Yay! What? What'd you say? I didn't hear you. Okay, let's go to another example. We'll start another example before you guys leave. I still have you guys for a couple more minutes.
1 minute.
Well, that's plenty of time to write down a point and a slope. So we're going to do the same thing we just did. We're going to create slope-intercept form from a point and a slope. Hey, 30 seconds is very valuable. All right.